Hello, this is Sumit Kumar Arse. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am from DABV IIPS. My roll number is IT2K2487 and my enrollment number is DE24022295. Today we are going to see question number 5 of internal 1 of NAD. Previous question we have seen in our old videos. In this we will see question number 5. So see what our question is saying. Our question is verify associative law and distributive law, okay, of arithmetic with fitting for mantissa digits, and provide the correct answer if no number is truncated. Okay, here down our two cases are given, case 1, case 2, associative law and distributive law expression given here, and here values are given. Okay, now see. Now we will see our floating point arithmetic laws. First we will see our associative law, a plus b minus c, that is equal to a plus b minus c, that is all is equal to a minus c plus b. Distributive law, we have a into b minus c, that is equal to a into b minus a into c. So however in this floating point arithmetic limited precision for mantissa digits, okay, these laws may not hold exactly due to round off errors. Okay, we can see here arithmetic operations, the order of operations determines the intermediate value get rounded, and different ordering error occurs. Okay, so see here you can see significant notice and reminder. Here you can see table given. Okay, this is our example. Okay, now let's start with our case 1, which is our associative law of addition. Here it is given here in question that here you can see a is equal to 0.5665, e1 is equal to 5.665, b is equal to 0.5556, e minus 1 is equal to 0.05556, c is equal to 0.644 even, and is equal to 5.644. okay, we need to verify a plus b minus c versus a minus c plus b associative rearrangement, and let's start with our LHS part, computing a plus b minus c. Here a plus b is equal to 5.665 plus 0.05556, and here you can see our sum is 5.72056, rounding off to our 4 mantissa digits, and this is our 5.721, and this summing a plus b minus c, we will minus this from this, and our last LHS result final, that will be 0.077. okay, now we will see our RHS part. Okay, computing a minus c plus b, we will do first a minus c, then that will be this, and then we will plus b. So our final result of RHS will be 0.07656. okay, great. This is our LHS and RHS. Now see case 1 result comprehension. Here you can see our expression a plus b minus c and a minus c plus b. Our result of first is 0.077, and here 0.07656. okay, and exact result is this and this. Error you can see here 0.00044, and here no error 0.000. okay, so we observing that a plus b minus c gives 0.077, while a minus c plus b gives 0.07656. The two results are not equal in 4 digits starting floating points, so this fails as our associative law. The exact answer is 0.07656. The error here due to our loss of significance, adding a number b is equal to this to the our larger number a is equal to this, cause this lost because of rounding off. and that's why this is our final result. So here it is failed. Now in case 2 we will check our distributive law of multiplication. Okay, here it is given a is equal to 0.555 even, that is equal to 5.555, b is equal to this, c is equal to this. Here we will apply our a into b minus c, that is equal to a into b minus a into c. First we will see our LHS part, that is a into b minus c. Okay, so here first we will b minus c, and that will be equal to our this, and then we will multiply by a, so our final LHS part will be minus 224.94. okay, and our RHS part, which is our a into b minus a into c, we will perform, and our final result of RHS will be minus 24.94. so we will here see our case 2. okay, here our expression a into b minus c and a into b minus a into c. okay, result you can see minus 24 minus 0.94, and here minus 24.94, and here minus 20 and minus 0.2494 e2, and here also minus 0.2492 e2 94 e2. okay, so exact result you can see here same, error minus 0.003, observation both a into b minus c and a into b minus a into c gives same till our 4-digit arithmetic, so the distributive law holds in this case. okay, this is great, here it is good. However, both results carry a small rounding off of 0.003, comparing these exact value to minus 24.937, and this is expected in 4-digit prescription. okay, so the distributive law is most, then here associative law is floating, and this is error. okay, next move forward. so see, our correct answer, no truncation, exact arithmetic. If no number is truncated, we use exact arithmetic with full description. Case 1 you can see here, case 2 you can see here, expression we have, exact computation we can see here, and exact answer you can see here. okay, and now the conclusion we can see here for our associative, and we can see here, yes, it is arithmetic, but no 4-digit floating result same. Reason you can see here, because of the rounding of this error comes, and distributive you can see, yes, arithmetic, and yes, it is same to our 4-digit float. okay, here reason rounding off that and the final you can see our that floating point in arithmetic is not associative. In general, the order of operations matter significantly when number of very different magnitude are combined. okay, great. So this is the fundamental limitations of finite prescription arithmetic here, and the reason why numerical analysis pay carefully here, and the similar magnitude first and substitute the largest nearest equivalent value of this necessary. okay, so this is what our question number 5 was, and this is our result, that our associative here fails and our distributive here is good, and yes, it is passes here. So that's what our question number 5 is. Thank you.